My name is Alaa Elshimy. I'm the Managing Director and Senior Vice President for Huawei, Middle East and Central Asia. So our theme this year is Accelerate Intelligence. So we are integrating and bringing intelligence and AI into all the products and solutions we have. So basically, if you are buying a watch or a mobile or a computer or a network or a data center from Huawei, you have AI chipset integrated into it with some applications as well. For example, if you are talking about the network management system iMaster, which can manage your entire network, it has a lot of AI that can give you a prediction of your network, having some machine learning features to make sure that you are aware of any problem that might happen in the future, using a digital twin concept to do all the different configurations, upgrade, changes that you want to make on the digital twin before reflecting that on the real network. And of course, you will find out if there will be an impact, positive or negative, before you implement it on the real one. So across all what we provide this year, we have intelligence into it, and of course we are providing number of vertical solutions as well for different industries, mainly based on AI and networking to get the best out of the technologies we have. Yeah, so as you know, last year we invested almost $23 billion into the R&D. In the last 10 years, we invested $140 billion into the R&D. Some R&D investment goes to the foundation and some and fundamentals, and some like chemistry, like physics, like carbon, and so on, and some goes to specific technology and vertical solutions. So some are bottom up, if you want, and some are top down. So we listen also to our customers, understand what are their challenges, problems, or potential solutions that can fix business challenges or bring more value to the business, and then we go back to our labs and our R&D and build these solutions. We also leverage on the basic science, if you want, and the innovation we make to build new technologies, and from the new technologies we build new products. The 2-3 examples, of course, is the 5G. You remember we brought this to the market 2 years before everyone else, 5.5G. Now we introduced it into the Middle East market in partnership with some of the carriers in the region. Talking about Wi-Fi 7, we just got the certification from the local authorities, and we are the first one to introduce it to the region and to the world. So a lot of systems and applications and products that we are introducing to the market based on the innovation we make. And of course, looking at the vertical solutions as well. When you are talking about solutions, for example, for the smart cities, 700 smart cities implemented by Huawei worldwide. This is the biggest number ever across the industry. Talking about utility solutions, talking about smart education, talking about smart healthcare. So we continue to build different vertical solutions. Actually, in GITEC this year, we are showing for 10 different industries more than 100 vertical solutions of digital transformation that are built on the innovations of Huawei, along with the ecosystem partners that we have. So different points on this one. So first, as an organization, we decided to make a big investment into what we call the commercial market, which is like 50%, if you want, of the SMB. The SOHO is the lower part. And we created one organization for the commercial segment of the market, and one organization for the SOHO, or if you want to call it the distribution segment of the market, the low end of the market. And we invested in products that are specific for these segments. You know, when we are talking about the enterprise, we are talking about high configuration, and you are talking about complex solutions, which doesn't fit into the commercial segment and to the SOHO, because in the enterprise you have very big IT department and head of department and maybe 10, 15, 100 people looking at. But in the commercial segment, in the SOHO, maybe you have one person or you don't have any. So you need to have solutions that are fit into the requirements of the commercial segment, easy to design, easy to configure, easy to implement, easy to manage, and easy to support. And you need to have predefined and tested and integrated solutions for areas like healthcare, like education, like retail, that you can bring to these industries and just plug and play. You know the industry, you know the business, you know the challenges, you know the business needs, and you can take that and translate it into pre-designed solutions. Again, along with the ecosystem partners, you can deliver this. So introducing new products, bringing new technology into that, having vertical solutions that for specific industries in the commercial and the SMB, and of course, the cloud. So now you are providing a lot of services on the cloud. So the SMB don't need to buy any infrastructure, more or less. They use it as a utility, as a service, everything as a service. You need a storage capacity, you need a computing power, you need some applications. You get everything from the cloud as a service, and hence you make it easy for the commercial market and the stock market or the SMB to do business with us. We're also doing a lot of training activities for our partners and customers. We introduced 2 new platforms specifically for this segment. One is called eFly and one is called eTicket. So basically, if you are in the commercial segment, which is the higher part of the SMB, you will have the eFly, and in the eFly, if you are a partner, then you can learn and you can design the solution using this tool. You don't need to speak to anyone. Again, digitalization. If you want to place the order, automatically you place it in the same system. If you want to follow up on the order and shipment and payment and so on, the same system. If you want to learn about the configuration and design, implementation, same system. Training for your team and for the end user from the same system. So we have done that for the commercial. We have done that also for the SOHO or the stock market. All of these are enablement tools for our partners and for our customers. We also bought a lot of incentive programs for our partners to encourage them to go to this market and drive it in partnership with Huawei to deliver this value to the end users.